In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Gemini with Janitor AI. By the end, you'll have Gemini connected to Janitor AI through a proxy configuration and be ready to chat. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Janitor AI and click the official Janitor AI website from the results. Once the site loads, open any chat. This just gets you into the interface where the settings live. Look to the top right and click the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. From that menu, choose API Settings. Inside API Settings, switch to the Proxy tab. Now click Add Configuration to create a new setup for Gemini. Give your configuration a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later. In the model name field, type exactly Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview 0520. Make sure there are no extra spaces or typos, because the model name must match precisely for requests to work. Next, in the proxy URL field, paste the proxy address you were provided for this integration. It should be a full HTTPS URL. Double-check that you didn't copy any trailing spaces or punctuation. Small mistakes there can cause connection errors. You'll see a field for an API key. Leave that open for a moment while we grab a key from Google. In a new browser tab, go to Google AI Studio. On the lower left, click Get API Key. This takes you to the API Keys page. At the top right, click Create API Key. Choose your Gemini project if prompted, and then confirm by selecting Create Key. When the key appears, click the copy icon to copy it to your clipboard. Remember to keep this key private and never share it publicly. Return to your Janitor AI tab and paste the API key into the API key field. Now click Add Configuration to register this setup. Finally, click Save Settings to apply everything. That's the full connection process. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you see authentication errors, verify that the API key is current and pasted correctly. If you get a model not found message, recheck that the model name is spelled exactly as Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview 0520. And if requests time out, confirm the proxy URL is correct and accessible from your network. With the configuration saved, you're ready to use Gemini in your Janitor AI chats. Enjoy exploring faster responses and multimodal capabilities, and remember you can return to API settings anytime to update or rotate your key for security. Thanks for following along, and happy chatting.